We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within here, we have been looking for buy. And if we refer to my last analysis, when the price was at the top, I mentioned for those traders, they get the trade from here. They should take out the trade in the profit. And I mentioned we need to see the breakout of this correction. All right. That's why I mentioned for whoever wants to look for buy from here, they have to wait for the correction. Anyway, we didn't have any trade set up. And as you can see, the prices start to drop because if anyone wanted to buy from here by correction, they had to put their entry above the top. Anyway, we didn't get any trade. And we mentioned if the price couldn't break this correction, we can expect the price to drop as what we expected. And now we want to see what's the next. We move to daily chart. Again, if you refer to our analysis in my last video, we mentioned we're looking for this one. And if we get any reversal, any trade for buy, we'll take it. And we mentioned with the breakout of 28.6, we can look for 36 as the first target, following by 42. But we mentioned even we can expect the price drop to 17.5 before we get the reversal. That's why if we want to look for buy, we need to see to get the proper trade setup based on lower time frame. And what we seen here in relative to this, mostly we can expect the price at least drop and retest the previous low. We need to be aware about this possibility. Okay, technically, whenever we see this kind of the move or move, we can expect the price to drop and break this correction. All right. And if I move to forward chart, based on forward chart, if the price continue and drop, retest the previous low, as what we explained based on daily chart, then we can look for the divergence, and any reversal, it can give us better confirmation for trade. All right, that means we need to see the breakout of this correction either at the up or down before we get the next trade. The best thing is if the price could break the previous low, as I explained, following by divergence, then the reversal. This is the best we can look for. But sometimes we can expect the price consolidate for longer time, similar to what we get here, before we get the next drop and reversal. Anyway, what we can do at this point, if the price continue and drop, we just let it go. But if we get any reversal, we can look at this one in relative to this. Any reversal, any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And then again, we need to see whether the price could break this correction at the top or not. If there was a breakout, then we can look for 23.1, following by 24.12, following by 25.16 as a short-term targets. But at this point, we don't see any reversal or any trade setup for buy. And if I move to 1 hour chart, even based on 1 hour chart, I don't see any trade setup for buy. If the price give us a correction and continuation, we just let it go. We are not really interested to look for sell. The only thing is we should look for the reversal, sharp move flag, we take the trade. At least similar to what we get here as a correction. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup to look for buy. We just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.